Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi Q5 fog lights. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery for safety. Locate and remove the lower splash shield to access the fog light housing, then unplug the bulb connector and twist out the old bulb. Check the connector for corrosion, fit the replacement H11 bulb, test the light, and reattach the shield securely before driving. Before you begin, collect the tools and parts to keep the job quick and tidy. A ratchet with a T25 or appropriate bit and a flat screwdriver make removing fasteners simple, and a work light improves visibility under the bumper. Use a clean replacement bulb and avoid skin contact with the glass, and apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the connector to prevent future corrosion and ensure a reliable connection. With the shield removed, work methodically to avoid damage and save time. Remove fasteners and lower the shield enough to see the fog light housing clearly, then depress the connector tab and pull it free straight out. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it, swap in the clean replacement bulb, reinsert and twist clockwise to lock, reconnect the electrical connector, test the fog light beam, and refit the splash shield securely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.